Okay, in the previous session, what we have done, what we have covered actually. Can you tell me, Javel? In the previous session, what we have covered. I think today we are starting the OOPS concept because in the previous session we have already done what is this statement, what is in for loop, while loop, do while loop, Java break, continue. Already we have done. Okay, another very interesting switch statement that example I have forgotten is that previous session that I am going to give you. So, Gavin, can you please share your screen?
Yes. I am unable to share my screen.
Okay. First of all, let me understand. Okay, let me share this screen. Then you will- Okay, first of all, understand the program of switch case that events actually I have forgotten to tell you. Okay, there is a switch case example. Switch case means what? Switch case means it is a conditional statement, and in the conditional statement, what will happen? So I am putting on statement, then I am putting on 3 or 4 cases actually, 3, 4, 5 cases, whatever the actually need. Then in every case, I have printing some statement, and after that, compiler can understand the 3 statements, and because of the line number 15, I have already given the statement. So because of this main statement, I can print the console. Okay, let's first of all, I am taking scanners new scanner class. User taking the user input. After that, I have taken string str equals to new string because I have creating the object str. Then switch. That is our main target. There is a switch case. Hello equals to str because I am taking hello as a string. That's the object. After that, I am taking the first case actually. The first case it's called rate. After that, I am printing very dangerous because I am taking one red signal actually. It's very dangerous. It is green, nothing about to be, and it is pure. Then it is break. I am giving one break statement after the red and green. After that, it is a pure, and then it will be moderate dangerous. Okay, so let's run this program. Divide the zone as category. Okay. Red, very dangerous. That is the break actually. Because why it is break? Because DLO is not printing because of the break. The 2 statement will break. The very dangerous will break and nothing about to be also break. If you see here, these 2 also break. Very dangerous, nothing about to be. But why this is not printing? More dangerous. That is the question. Why this is not printing? Because of this break statement. That is the switch statement. That is the break statement. And that's why these 2 statement will print, but this statement will not print. If I remove the break, let's see, let's run this program again. Divide the zones category. If I see suppose green, then see if I use green, then what will print? Nothing about theory and moderate dangerous. Nothing about theory and moderate dangerous. Then that will be print. If I going to print red, then all the 3 statement will print. see the all the three statement will be print. Suppose I am giving here the break. I am just understanding what is the function of the break. We give the break here. If I give the break here, then what will happen? Then only this statement will print. These two statements will, because actually what will happen in the inner section of the program. So first of all, compiler come to this statement. This is okay, then it will print. After that, compiler come to this program. Okay, then it will print this. In the moment, suddenly the compiler see there is some break. Okay, so compiler can understand that the whatever the user understand to tell me that I have to stop it. I don't overload this. First of all, come here, then looping here, then looping. Actually, the loop one loop is ongoing. Actually, that's the switch and break statement. So loop is breaking actually. In that case, loop is break only very dangerous. So that's the actual funda of the switch and break statement. There is another switch break statement. Already I have done. Suppose this. So here's suppose I am taking one string here, and I am printing one statement, enter the journals category. And now taking one class. After that, taking the scanner class user input from. Suppose red, it is Kolkata. Kolkata is in the red category. So in red category, I am printing. Okay, I will give break. After that, it is green. I am taking green. It is in the green category. This kind of name, the location name actually. So nothing to worry about. Now color is orange actually. It is orange. Then I will print with in orange category. After that, I will print default. It will KGP and in normal category. Okay. So this is the default actually. If the three where I default this is where I make this default, because if compiler first come here, after that here, after that here, and after that here. If the three loop is not matches the logic, then it will print to this. That's why it is called default. This will default. If these three statements will not print, this statement will definitely print. Okay, so let's run. Enter the journals category. First of all, see the rate. See, if they see the rate, then Kolkata in red category. Okay. After that, again, if I am running this, now it will be green. Then Virgum in green category. Okay. After that, I come to the orange. It's called wheat in orange category. So if I don't give anything, then it will give normal. That is the switch statement. So I'm giving this code to you. You do it in your own system. Okay, now I will please share your screen. Please do this because switch statement is very important control statement.
Yeah, but I don't have Eclipse downloaded.
Can you tell me?
I don't have Eclipse downloaded.
You don't have Eclipse. Okay, you install now. Install.
Okay.
No problem. You can install. Okay, share the
Hello.
screen.
Okay.
I am right.
Hello, Debojyoti.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, so I am Abhijit. I have joined today.
Okay.
So this is my first class, and can you please brief me about what you are teaching
Okay, right. Okay, what is
and
our
how
plan?
many classes are over?
Actually, if you see in the YouTube recorded sessions, we have already completed the 6 sessions total. This is the 7th session, and inside the 6 sessions, we have covered up HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and little bit about Java. And today we try to cover up after the condo statement, and we are starting the oops concepts.
Okay, so you have started Java. So where can I get the recording of the previous classes?
In YouTube channel, in PCS Global YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, if you have any doubt, please, any doubt you can ask in the group also.
Okay, sure.
And after that, what is our plan? After that, you have to make one. After the Java, you go to the JDBC actually. We make one JDBC project, Java database connectivity. Front end is servlet, and back end is database and JDBC connection. We connect the front end to back end with the database. And after that, we go through the Angular and Spring Boot. Because without the Angular and Spring Boot, you cannot handle any project. That is the thing. You only learn HTML, CSS, and backend database. Nowadays, in any company, in the, not only the HTML, you learn. That is the thing. You have to, maybe you learn anything. Maybe you can learn React, maybe you can learn Angular. That is not the issue. You can learn MongoDB as a database, you can learn MySQL as a database. Nothing else. But the main thing is you have to learn the frameworks. That is it.
Okay, Debojyoti.
Okay, let it complete. Okay, everyone has Eclipse, like Soman. Soman Don, I think you are new joining today. Hello, Soman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you installed Eclipse?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubhashmita, have you installed Eclipse?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ravi, keep sharing this. It will be
Okay.
helpful for others also to see the programs. Okay, let it be download. And again, Abhijit has joined. So let me go back to some previous cases. Let me understand what is the basic structure of a project. Okay, Gabili, can you please stop the share? Okay, let me share the screen. But I already told you, but again I am telling you in case you are forgotten. Okay, so this is the actually this is one kind of diagram. Let's better. Yeah, that is the better diagram. Let's again let's understand this diagram. So what is the basically when we create one project actually? That is the UI part. Okay, this is the UI part. That means UI part means suppose you have one website. That is you see that this site is the UI. You trying to user interface. That is the view layer actually. This is called the view layer. View layer. And inside the view layer, what technologies we are using? We are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular. It is maybe React. It is maybe Angular. It is maybe React. This is the view layer actually. After that, that data. Suppose you are suppose I am creating one form and you want to submit that form into a respected organization. So that data come to that controller layer. The controller layer controls the data. That's called the controller layer. Controller data. Controller data means what? Controller data means suppose data is in that controller layer is a part of both the backend and both the frontend. In Spring Boot also has controller layer. In Angular or React also has the controller layer. That controls the data actually. After that, that data will go to the service layer. Okay, we call it's for service layer. That service layer here we put. Suppose you see that URL, jamboard.http.jamboard.google.com. That URL, that we put that URL in the service layer. We put that URL in the service layer. After that, with the service layer, whatever the stored in the database that come into our picture, that come into our database, or come into our view, the vice versa. Okay, now data is come to the service layer. Okay, now the data where will go? The data will go stored in the database. That is the database. That is our database. The data is maybe MySQL, maybe Oracle DB, maybe MongoDB. Maybe whatever the maybe no SQL database, whatever there are so many databases out here. So that data will store in the respective organization's database. So that data again, suppose any HR will see your resume. Okay, any HR want to see your resume. So what she can do or he can do, she just go to the portal in the UI portal. She can fetch the data from here to here. She can fetch the data. You send the data from here to here. Already it is done. That one-way traffic is done. But you send the data from here to here. But that respective HR share the data from here to here. From backend to the front end. Then see your CV. Maybe where is your location? What are your skill sets? The contact number, email ID, etc. That kind of things. So there is two-way traffic actually. One in send the data, send the application form here. HR will fetch the data and see the data here in the view file. So that is the whole kind of thing actually. If you want to use any project, if you see any project, the backend process is this. In all organizations, the same work is going backend process. Maybe there are lacks of maybe they use Salesforce, maybe they use Angular, maybe they use React, whatever the respective organization uses that kind of technologies. But the main thing is this. This is the main thing. Okay, I stop share. Okay. I will again share this. Okay, it has downloaded.
Not yet, sir. Past 5 minutes.
Okay. Then Subhashmita, can you share your screen? Hello, Subhashmita. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share your
Sir, not downloaded.
Okay, share your okay. Then share your screen and open the Eclipse. I will send the code. You have to compile and Okay, you download it, but you don't install it.
Yes.
Then install, go to the exe file.
Yes, sir.
Go to the downloaded section and open the exe file that it keeps. Go to your local systems. Okay, you download or not download?
Not downloaded, sir.
Okay, then click the left button, then download 862. That
ये वाला.
yeah, yes. Yeah, download this. Allow
Yeah.
copies. Yeah, allow copies. No, download.
सर नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, give me consent.
Okay.
बालू ठांडा तो हेलो व्यस्त से इतना नंबर है कि काम करने को चलिए तो दे
Why this is download?
लेट आओ
It's not downloaded.
If it's not, if it's not downloaded, then click on that file. That file link, it will download.
Yeah, that's the file.
If we click on that file link, file name, it will be downloaded. That's all.
This file. So actually, what will happen if I click the download, then the automatically download will automatically start. But
Yeah, but sometimes if we click on file, it will download.
yeah, I also click on the file, but not responding anymore. Okay, Shubhashmita, can you open another browser? I mean the Chrome browser.
Okay, sir.
नहीं इसे उन्होंने गाड़ी उस बार लेके दी बजे वाले को बाबू के दीदी
Okay, now here, right Eclipse download.
जी सर.
Now right Eclipse download.
सिर्फ क्रोम में डाउनलोड करना है.
Yeah, it is automatically started. See here.
So it's starting.
Yeah. Is it Windows 11, right? Suppose it is Windows 11, right?
जी सर.
It is Windows 11, right?
जी.
Okay, let it download. Directly on download completed.
Okay sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you share your screen. Suppose we just stop sharing.
Okay.
Actually, if you don't install the Eclipse, then program cannot be working. Because yeah, the program also fine in the VS Code, but when we do the advanced Java programs, then it will not the correct approach to do in VS Code actually. Then we have to make the habit to do the course in the Eclipse. Okay, so you have downloaded the zip file, right?
Yes.
Marilyn,
Yeah.
last day what you have done, can you tell me? With exact topic what you have done?
But last class I was absent. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
But last class I was absent. I was on leave that day.
Okay, Shubhashwita, what you have done in the exact topic, what you have done in the previous session, can you tell me?
जी सर
What exact topic we have done in the previous session?
प्रोग्राम आधे स्ट्रिंग ऐसे प्रोग्राम के आज जावा स्क्रिप्ट करने वाले
Okay, then, okay, let's install the Eclipse because we are starting Java today in our the next session. Because some JavaScript topics actually not covered in the previous session. We have seen that. Okay, we have done the loop switch. No problem, then we can continue the JavaScript today also. Then we start the Java from the next session. But all of you requested to download the Eclipse because without the Eclipse you cannot do the Java.
ओके सर
Let's start with the date function. We have already have done the string and arrays in JavaScript. So let's start with next is date function. Now, yeah, open your VS Code tab in 1 second. Yeah. Okay, I am send the code. Next. Okay, let it run. Open the VS Code and build it. Yeah, if you can make one file or you can do this also. Let us make one new file and do this.
Should I create a new file?
Yeah, create a new file for a better understanding.
Okay.
Every time when I give new programs, you better to create one new file, because in the later moment, if you see that programs, it is for better understanding for you. Now run this program. This is the current date and time it is printed. 12 July, and the time is 4:47 seconds. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time plus Indian Standard Time. So with the JavaScript, we can fetch the current date. So what we have done actually in this code, we have done inside the script tag, var today equals to new date. Actually, var means this is one kind of var. Let's only like that. Today's I am taking today's video. Today equals to new date. New date is the function actually. I want to get the today's date. The new date actually is the function, and then document of get element by ID. Document of get element by ID is what? Document element is the printing statement. Suppose we can write console.log. That's right. We can write document of get element by ID ext, because this is the one kind of text. Current date and time is one kind of text. Equal dot inner string equals to today. In that way, we can print the data type in JavaScript. Okay, so this is the name. This is the current date and time. Understand? There are then we move to the next program. Now we add the ER program. We add ER program. Here date, time, and date, month, and year. Yeah, we see current date and time. Date is 12/7/2023. The date, month, and year. We can print. Next, also the date, hours, minute, and seconds. it has, in the previous example, we have date, month and year, but in this example, we have date, hours and minutes and seconds. The same program, but different activities actually we are adding. Hour, minutes and seconds. We want to print. Now run the program. This is the current time. Current time is the 16 hours, 52 minutes, and yes, it is. Okay, so this is the eclipse. Okay, then let open the eclipse. Then let complete the installation process of the eclipse. Because when we start Java, we do this side. Okay. Now give me control. Let's just see how I can. Today I'm not giving you the program Java, but just telling you what's the how we can create the class. Just delete this. Go to Java project and next. To give project name, suppose this. Next. Then finish. I think your ID, your system is hanging. So let's see. Here, yeah, that is. Then we create one project. Under the project, suppose we want to create one package. How we can create package? Okay, my mouse is not working actually. Please gradually do the here. Please take the right click. In jar on the jar practice, please click the right click.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Okay, okay. Now give me control. Okay, I have already have control. I want to create one package. Okay, what is the package name? Suppose it has package name convention. So naming convention com slash PCS slash suppose Java. Okay. In that fashion, actually we give the packaging com slash PCS slash Java. It is the naming convention, naming rule also. Then we finish. Okay, one package is created. Now inside the package, we just create one class. You can give any class name, suppose hello. Okay. Now, after this, we have done. We can do the program in the next session. Okay, let to the control to the complete the JavaScript. Okay, Gravity, please open the VS Code and let exit the Eclipse. Okay, now, okay, we have done this program, right? Our wins and sevens.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, the next is JavaScript mathematics objects. There are so many mathematics is like square then POW. There are so many mathematical functions there in the JavaScript. Okay, then you have to come it one by first of all, math.sql. That means square root. If you want to, suppose I'm given a number and you want to read the square root of that number. So this is the example. Square root of 70 is 4.123 and this. So in that fashion, so let's see in line number 7, the only dot get element by ID and dot in our HTML because to math dot SQL 70. You can change the number. Suppose give 4 actually. Suppose give 4 instead of 17, give 4. That's it. Now, change the text. Okay, we go to the next function. Next function is random function. This program in the system is the random function. Yeah, number 0 to 8. It's the random function. Now comes the next. This is the for function. For function means what? That 3 to the power 4 or 4 to the power 3, that kind of. E to the power of 4. This basically is okay. Then change the number. Change here instead of 3 4, just do 2 and 2 to the power of 3. It should be 6. 4 to the power 3. It will be 64. Because 4 into 4 into 4, it will be 64. That's why 4 to the power 3 is 64. That's fine. Now come to the float function. Next function is round actually. From the decimal, we just want the round numbers. Now come to the JavaScript numbers. And Shubhashmita, do you understand the programs? Hello, Shubhashmita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I understand.
So these are the very small programs. You just go through this concept first, so you can easily understand. There is nothing. These programs nothing wrong, but you can easily understand.
Okay, sir.
So now comes to JavaScript Boolean. Okay, what is the Boolean? Boolean is one type of data type, and data type means true or false. What is the value of the Boolean? That means true or false. Either it is true or either this statement is false. That is so inside the script tag, just add these two lines. Inside the script and just after line number 9, you can add these two lines.
I should delete or just add it at 9.
Just add after line number 9, you can add. There are two script tags. Delete on script tag. Yeah, let's see, this is the true and false. Because 10 less than 20, that's definitely true because 10 is less than 20. And the next part of the statement, next statement is 10 greater, is 10 less than 5. So definitely this is false because 10 is actually greater than 5, but here 10 less than 5. So it is false, the next statement. So this is the so in line number 10 and 11, these are the Boolean statement in Boolean values. True or false. Okay, now come to the object. Window object. Window object means what? In JavaScript, window object is just represented to window in browser. Suppose you are logging into your Facebook account. In your Facebook account, if you keep the wrong password, then what will happen? Then one pop-up message will show, say that your credentials will not actually. That kind of pop-up message we want to create with the JavaScript. First of all, let's do this problem with the alert function. This is the object, and here is the object, alert is the function. Inside the alert, there is the function message. In alert, hello alert box. One message will come, one pop-up message will come. Then you can click the OK button, and then the pop-up will automatically go. Just like in your mobile, actually, one notification will come. Yeah, click this. See, this kind of notification. In your mobile, there are so many notifications coming into this. is some kind of pop-up message actually. We can use using the JavaScript. Let's go to the next one. Are you sure? It is okay. Okay. So that kind of power message is found. We are using JavaScript. Now the next folder. We then come to the DOM actually. DOM means document object model. Document.create document get in by ID. In that fashion, we want to print in JavaScript to the DOM. DOM is document object model. Okay, so what's document.get even by ID? That's the question. First of all, comes. The document.get element by ID method returns the element of specific ID. Suppose I am taking two IDs and I am to read document.get element by ID. In the previous example, you see we are using document.get element by ID. In the previous example, if you see document.get element by ID, if you see that suppose we are given in the bracket number one and number two, then it will denote the print the statement, and we see the printing in the console. That's called the kind of document object model. So let's see the first program. And that document object model is very important in JavaScript. So, Vijay, do you understand the programs? Hello, Vijay. Yeah, now it enter the number. This is the answer. What you have written is the answer. The Q. Yeah, 9 into 9 equals to 81, and then 81 into 9, it will be 75. is 2022 equals to 8. It's okay. Now come to the forms actually, how we can use the forms in JavaScript. If you see this example, you easily understand. Okay, it better to use the another create one new file that will be ready for this example. This is these these are the radio button. This is line number is input and plus radio. This is the radio button. And here if you click total values.
It is showing some error.
Now these are the not the errors actually. So this is the another thing of Java. Yes. Go to the count paragraph. If you see the number of paragraphs, yeah. You see the paragraph, the number of paragraphs are 3. So it is a broad paragraph text of 3. Understand this problem? You know this problem. This is the HTML tags. Heading text actually here in the script. So the two H2 tag and count the heading tag, heading 3 tag, H3 tag. Yeah, so 3 H3 tags. You change this, you change the line number after the line number 18, just write the another H3 tag. Okay, one H2 tag add and another H3 tag. Yeah, so we now come to the JavaScript inner HTML. Inner HTML means suppose your HTML code is some kind of hiding. If you see the output, you will really understand. First of all, in this program, we will understand. Yeah. Let's see if in the moment you just click in the comment button, the name and comments is good. So that is the inner HTML. HTML is actually the hiding HTML. In the moment you click the button, the name and comment field will appear. That is good. In the form tag, inside the form. Now do another example of the inner HTML. In on the okay, we see the font actually. We are using the font. Yeah, so it's showing the error. You better just delete the whole thing and create a new file and do the file. Now click the comment. Click the comment. Go to the output and click the comment button.
Actually, nothing is possible.
It is not working. It is not working, right?
It's not working.
Yeah, the code is absolutely perfect. There is no error in the code. Can you just stop the running and again stop the running? You don't have to debug, just run the code. Just under C that there is go light. and you can-
Debojyoti,
Yeah, then
there is, say, BR closing tag is wrong.
in line number what?
Line number 9, see?
We just see the program. I think you did not properly test.
Yeah, line number 8 also. Closing, BR closing tag. Yes, yes.
Actually, that is not the issue because closing tag of VR, we don't have to leave the slash. You
And
can,
curly braces also
yeah, curly braces.
unexpected. Curly brace, I think one curly brace is missing.
It's called up. Okay, again, just wait. Again, I am reading the program.
I need to check.
Now, VR tag is not the issue because if you keep slash VR and not slash it, the VR tag will automatically work.
Curly braces.
Again, I am just reading the code. Just
It is also not working.
it's not coming. I don't see any error in the code. Actually. Yeah, the curly braces, you can check the curly braces. It's fine.
but also I checked, but it's fine.
Then how will you come? Need to check.
Line number 10, expected corresponding JSX closing tag for BR. Line number 10. BR closing tag. There is no BR closing tag.
Should we give closing tags for BR?
Error is coming. I also checked in my system, but there's no error coming. Okay, let's see. Don't wasting time. Yeah, I will see when whether any file output has not come. Okay, let's for the time being, let's move to the next one. I also checked in my system, but in my system, there is no error actually.
Same code.
Yeah, same code. Okay, if the code has any problem, then I will check actually. I think there is no error actually.
If I create new file and do it also, it is showing error.
Yeah, that will see it, but I didn't see any error actually. Not fine. Okay, let's move to the next program. Then let's and now come to the very important topic that is called validation. After that, the validation means suppose you are creating one registration form. And inside you are filling one registration form, and inside the registration form, suppose you are filling your name. Suppose you accidentally missing one field. Suppose your first name, your last name. Suppose you accidentally missing the last name. Then you missing the last name, and then you fill on the fields. After that, in the moment you submit the form says you have to submit, you have to fill the last, you have to fill the last name. That is the validation. We have when we create the password, then it's a we have to give the special character, just like the star or just like the at the rest. We have to give one capital letters of the name, one number. That will be the different type of rules and regulations there in creating the password. How we can create? We can okay inside the script tab and just this. Actually one form, and inside the form the validation is. Okay, better create one new file and put in this. Yeah, you have valid user and this publicity labs. Exactly. This is actually relation. You can see in line number 12, that the alert function is there. In the alert function, password must be at least 6 characters long. So you have to give the 6 letters actually, or 6 characters. Otherwise, you cannot take. Yeah, you give, yeah, this password must be at least 6 characters. You can see the that is called actually the relation. Because we create the logic that password dot length is this. So that is the alert. Password must be at least 6 characters. So we are using this logic. If you in the moment you give 4 characters or 3 characters, I mean, the main thing is less than 6 characters. If you give, then that pop-up will be. If you give the 6 characters, it will automatically list. Yeah. That is the one kind of validation. And now password retype validation I have to use. I have to use re-enter the password. Suppose in many form you see they are asking re-enter the password. That is the if you don't give the retype, if you don't retype the password, then the form will not submit. Yeah, now change the retype password change. No, submit. Password must be same. That's the validation. Now come to the JavaScript number validation. So just give the number. These are the previous lesson. The number validation also have. So now we will do the email validation. Suppose inside email we have to write your email ID. That is called one type of email validation. That is basically one kind of form. So first of all, we are adding my name. Then we are adding our first name, last name. Then we are adding our password, the enter password, the number, and then we are adding now the email ID. this simple and valid email address. Okay, we have to give the valid email address. Yeah, that is the thing. We have to give the special character, the display at the. Let's see in line number 7, are at position equals to x dot index at the rate. If you don't give that at the rate, then the email ID is not valid. Yeah, if you give at the rate, then you are a valid user. So these kind of things we can use the validation. Okay, so the JavaScript classes I will do in the next session, not today. Okay, okay, everyone, just I will do some homework actually. Okay, now I will stop the share. Okay, we have done HTML CSS and JavaScript up to the forms. So please make one registration form actually. Everyone, please make one registration form and inside registration form use the validation actually. HTML, CSS, and using the JavaScript validation, just I am taught you now. Using the enter password, re-enter password, email password, and sorry, the email ID and the number. Not this kind of fields you are adding. You have to give the validation of that field and create the two buttons. One is submit and another is reset button. That I already told you in the HTML how to keep the buttons. So you make one enter registration form, and you don't need to create on backend because you don't know how to create the button. So that's not doing. But just make one registration form, and inside the registration form you also make use. You can also use Bootstrap. You can also use CSS, whatever. It is your choice, and send it into the group lecture. Okay. Okay, Gavili and Sudarshan, the Abhijit, understand? Abhijit, let Abhijit read because Abhijit is not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, Gavili and Sudarshan.
Yeah, we understood.
Just try to create a registration form and submit it to the group. So I can check this as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 2 days after this, we will see in the next session.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.